What are your thoughts on what's going on in Sweden right now?
I think Carl and the team are doing a really great job in trying to find us some more donor parts. You know, one of the things that we're going to have to do is take or accommodate some of the parts he's finding in Sweden, and we may get stalled a little bit waiting for those parts to be recovered. And again, another reason why support is so important, because our work here will stall if the parts in Sweden aren't recovered in a timely manner. So because there's, again, machining and preparation work that has to happen on what we're working on to accommodate those new parts, or reconditioned Halifax parts. So yeah, but it's brilliant. I mean, it's wonderful to be getting original Halifax parts from the sea, and hopefully he'll find some needed parts, especially the intermediate and outer wing sections, which we only have some parts right now. So if they could find some original Halifax stuff, that'd be brilliant.